Our Austin office opened 45 years ago, and for more than 4 decades, we have played an important role in the growth and development of the Austin legal and business communities. As we move forward, our team of more than 170 professionals will continue to provide innovative legal solutions to our diverse group of clients.
The office has a history of representing both established and emerging companies across multiple industries, particularly technology, as well as life sciences, healthcare, and municipal entities.
Our exceptional teams span a range of practices including litigation, intellectual property, project development and project finance, public finance, real estate, tax, healthcare, and government investigations.
We have an absolute powerhouse of legal talent here. We are regularly recognized by Chambers and Legal 500 for our top-tier lawyers and practice teams.
And for a third consecutive year, this office was recognized among the top workplaces in the Austin metro area by Energage. The survey measures the firm's culture, benefits, and leadership style, among other metrics.
Culture is very important to us. We look for every opportunity to get together.
The office is friendly, fun, and laid back, and that's because we genuinely like each other, but we also know when to put our heads down and get to work. We're an office that's committed to each other, to the firm, but most importantly to our clients.
Many of us also enjoy being in the same city as the university that is close to the heart of many Austinites. It just feels like home.
We're perfectly located in the center of the city, right along Lady Bird Lake, and not far from South Congress and the state capitol.
Our office has a culture focused on collaboration and respect for others. The people in this office foster these attributes, providing a sense of community for our team.
What do I admire most about the office? I think it's our commitment to excellence and taking what we do seriously without taking ourselves too seriously. Our team, top to bottom, can work anywhere they want, and they choose to work right here, which says something.
On the pro bono front, we work heavily with Volunteer Legal Services of Central Texas and help nonprofits promote civil rights and access to justice initiatives.
We're so proud to show you our newly renovated office, and as you can see, provide our people an amazing place to come to work. We believe that our new office reflects just one of the many ways we are strengthening our relationship with Austin and our clients, whom we will continue to serve with the highest level of quality and integrity.